Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your browser and account so offline access works reliably. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account with the files you need, because offline settings apply per account. Once done, update Chrome or a compatible browser and decide whether to use Drive for desktop or the Web Offline toggle. Each method has different behaviors. Enable offline sync in Drive settings or install Drive for desktop, and let initial synchronization begin so files are cached locally for the next step. Now you'll choose what to sync and why. Only required files save space, while mirroring keeps full copies locally for quick access. In the web interface, right-click folders or Google Docs and toggle available offline so they download to your device. This is fast for selected files. If you use Drive for desktop, pick streaming to save disk space or mirror to maintain local copies. Make sure syncing completes. Check the Drive icon and file status indicators, because partial sync means missing content offline. Finish by validating offline behavior and resolving common failures. Disconnect from the network and open the Drive web app or the mirrored local folder. You should open sync docs, sheets, and files without internet. If something is missing, make sure sync completed. Pause and resume syncing, restart Drive for desktop, or clear the browser cache and re-enable offline. Also confirm you're using the same Google account, you have enough disk space, and that you have permission to access those files. These are the usual blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.